Come in.
Good morning. We're back in Britain now. So we've just stayed at the Britannia in Leeds Bradford Airport. So I just thought I'd give you a quick room tour. The hotel itself looks really nice, the lobby area and everything, but the rooms are typical Britannia style. But yeah, there's the bathroom. It needs a refurb. I think once it gets refurbed it'll be nice. I think they're busy painting the corridors and things. Shower over bath. And then we have a fridge. It's quite a big room. We have a fridge there. And then we've got an ironing board. And a fan. 2 spare pillows up there. One of them trouser pressy things. Tea and coffee. And this is the room. It's a fairly big room. There's the bed. Lots of drawer space. 2 sets of drawers either side of the bed. A television with more drawer space underneath. There's a hairdryer as well. And an iron. Let's see, here's a little set of drawers, and that's where the hairdryer is. Mirror. Table. Curtains are somewhat a bit old-fashioned. And then you have a settee. Yeah, fairly big room. Not bad for just putting your head down after you've come back from holiday. So there you have it, just a quick room tour. And we're going to see if we can have breakfast now. See you later, bye.